that was contained in the Education Pathways Bill
Yes, sir.
that the House passed on third and final reading. Pero walang napasa ang Senado. That is why it did not become law. That is why wala pang honors exam. That is why I asked DepEd, on its own, DepEd in fact, pareho ng core subjects, can introduce that without a law. That is why we were asking the Department of Education to consider it dati. So, as reported to us, Mr. Bora, kino-consider they are taking a look at that. But, Mr. Bora, para maliwanag, ano,
Yes, sir. Yes,
hindi
Chairman.
porke lang, hindi dahil nag-graduate ka na with honors, ay automatic na qualified ka na. Ang sinasabi natin, there must be a qualifying exam pa rin. So a student after grade 10 who wishes to have an option na makadiretso siyang first year college, kailangan kunin niya yung qualifying exam na yon to be given by SHED and DepEd together. Kasi yun yung ano. So wala pa yon.